Hello, in this video I want to show you how to record screen on a VIVO S17. To do this, we'll need to scroll down our notification panel, scroll down again, and here locate video screen recording, record screen right here. And when we agree, we'll see screen recording settings, and we can display touch trajectory, record sound, system audio, microphone audio, or system audio and microphone audio at the same time, or you can select none. Change the recording quality between high, medium, or low, and recording in progress, do not disturb mode. You can activate it, that way when you start recording you will enter do not disturb mode. And finally, click on start screen recording and it should begin. You will see this pop-up floating around your screen. You can click on the pause button to pause the video, click on that pop-up to resume it, and you can also click on this square right here to stop recording and save it in your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.